Tell us one actionable strategy or steps or strategies that people can take today towards creating more financial freedom for themselves.
Yeah, so I would definitely, the first step is just to take some time by yourself and cultivate this vision of what you believe financial freedom is for yourself. You talked about a pendulum earlier, and I was that person whose pendulum swung so far to the spiritual side that I said things like, I don't care about money. And my pendulum has now had to come back to a place where, prosperity creates more impact in the world for me. I can affect more people. And so really the strategy that I would use is create that vision for yourself, define what financial freedom is, set some markers for yourself so that every day you can take steps that are going to compound into creating financial freedom for yourself. And